get ready, because story time just got real.
Through the ages, they have feared us, shunned us, haunted us in the shadows. The very idea of who and what we are has changed through time. But what has never changed is the obsession with us.
Can we help you?
Ferenc, right? Things forsaken?
And you are?
My name is Grace. I'm an archaeology student, and I'm following some of the writings of my great-grandfather. He was an archaeologist too, well, of sorts, among other things.
Ah, it runs in the blood, so to say.
Yeah, more like a curse. Anyway, I found this old vampire hunting kit, but it's missing a few key pieces.
A crucifix and the rosary, undoubtedly. And you come to me to create a replacement, no?
How did
And
you...
do tell me, Grace, do you believe in such beings to exist? As these vampires?
Well, he certainly did.
It was the night of the crying moon, and as it bled its shimmering tears, I too would feed one of my favorite vintages. One by one, I would prepare my work to transform them. 53 pearls I would place my mark upon and begin to carve away with the diamonds. Each skull a memento mori. Remember death. Working slowly, heeding not to damage the delicate layers of the nacre. But what is time to the immortal? These things are for believers. I had wondered, still, are there those that believe in my kind? Like centuries it feels to me since I have touched the soil of my ancestors. I would need to call on my relatives. Through Budapest, across Aduna, the Danube. Where are you? Ah, there you are.
Ki az? Ferenc! Te vagy az?
Igen, én. Yes, it is me. Mit csinálsz? What are you doing?
Vacsora randizok.
Dinner date? Yeah, we all have to eat. Vigy minket Visegrádra.
Visegrádra? Most?
Igen, most. Yes, now.
Oké.
Anna, van ott meghívok.
Igen, a helyiek még érzik a régieket. Az árnyékban is látják őket, és a Dunaparton is szoktak kísérteni. Mennem kell, mindjárt reggel.
Anna, telefon?
De, blending.
Blending. Yes, we walk among you. Can you see us? A cross of ebony wood, a symbol of everlasting life. It is told that my kind fears such things, but it is humankind that fear us. As far back as the 10th century has been the Memento Mori. Remember death. Figyelj, apa, az örök életre szomjazom. Vért akarok.
Wow.
And what of your great-grandfather?
I've been doing so much research and I just need more proof.
Grace, would you welcome our new client? Köszönöm szépen. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and bite the notification bell. For more information and purchasing of the works that you see created here and more, please follow the link in the description below.